Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to fix a screenshot not working issue or any side button issue on this device. First of all, you need to check the side button settings. For this, go to the settings, tap on advanced features, tap on side button. So here you can see the option double press. Okay, then from here if you want to take a screenshot using double press, then select the option Samsung capture and the screenshot is here. Otherwise, tap on the settings option. From this list you have to select the option screenshot and make a double press on the power button. Let me show you. You can see simply the screenshot is captured. If this is not working, just restart your device. Otherwise, just press on volume down button or power button. So it will fix the screenshot not working or side button issue on this device. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.